Focus first on what's happening in the national capital, where Home Minister Amit Shah has in fact taken charge. Essentially, he's been holding a series of meetings, and on Sunday as well, he met with the Delhi Lieutenant Governor Anil Baijal as well as Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal to discuss the COVID situation. Now, in the meeting, measures to scale up contact tracing as well as improving medical services were discussed. Recommendations made by VK Paul committee were also discussed. The committee proposed fresh delineation of containment zones, strict monitoring, aggressive contact tracing as well as quarantining. It was decided that a serological survey which was conducted, which will be conducted after this between June 27 to July 10th in Delhi, wherein samples of 20,000 people will be tested. The meeting was held on a day when Delhi recorded 3,000 new cases and 63 deaths. With this, total cases in the capital is nearing the 60,000 mark. Delhi government, meanwhile, has also revised home quarantine rules. All new COVID-19 patients will now be referred to COVID care centres, where they will be offered home isolation option depending on assessment of clinical conditions. And Delhi has also started antigen-based testing for people living in and around containment zones. The move assumes significance as it also boosts Delhi's testing capacity at a time when COVID cases are on the rise. 169 centres for antigen-based testing have been set up across Delhi. There's also a plan to test around 6 lakh people using this method.
In a bid to scale up COVID testing, the Delhi government is conducting rapid antigen testing in and around containment zones. The exercise began on Thursday and result of the people undergoing tests is declared within 30 minutes, compared to a day taken in the RT-PCR test.
जो उसका जो रिजल्ट है वो बड़ा जल्दी आता है. वैसे जो रूटीन में जो टेस्ट हो रहे थे पहले उसमें करीब 2 दिन हमें लगते थे रिजल्ट आने में. इसमें विदिन हाफ एन आवर आपको रिजल्ट मिल जाएगा. तो उससे जो टेस्टिंग हमारी जो एक तो जो ड्यूरेशन है रिजल्ट का वो काफी कम हो जाएगा और हमारी जो टेस्टिंग स्पीड है वो बढ़ जाएगी.
The central government plans to conduct 6 lakh rapid antigen tests at 169 facilities set up across Delhi. People having mild symptoms or no symptoms at all can get themselves tested.
6 लाख लोगों का टेस्टिंग दिल्ली में होगा. उसमें लगभग 169 सेंटर्स में ये टेस्टिंग होगा. अगर कोरोना पॉजिटिव है तो उसका रिजल्ट भी आधा घंटे के अंदर मिलेगा. उसका ठीक तरीके से ट्रीटमेंट भी होगा.
Antigen test in comparison to existing diagnostic tests gives result in less time, doesn't require specialized staff or a laboratory setting and are many times cheaper.
कहीं और टेस्ट करवाने का सोचा था आपने कि यहीं पर आए, यहाँ पे टेस्ट मुफ्त भी हो रहा है?
नहीं, मुफ्त भी हो रहा है और यहाँ पे इजीली हो भी गया है. और जगह हम गाजियाबाद से आए हैं, गाजियाबाद में कहीं हमें कुछ मिला नहीं.
पहले आपने यहाँ टेस्ट करवाने की क्यों सोची? कहीं प्राइवेट में गई थी आप?
पहले प्राइवेट में गए थे. प्राइवेट में बहुत महंगा है, इसीलिए हम यहाँ आए.
The testing period involves looking for antibodies which are produced when the body is exposed to a pathogen.
This is how Delhi is doing its bit to check for community transmission of the coronavirus. The testing capacity is also ramping up. This particular center used to do about 60 to 70 tests, but now per day more than 500 tests is what the target is after the introduction of the antigen-based test. With Anil Jaiswal in New Delhi, this is Milan Sharma for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.